What you eating?
Ew.
Got applesauce on your hand?
Ew.
Is it you? Where's your ham? You're eating meat for the first time other than a chicken nugget. 18 months old. So I don't like meat. You like that ham?
No.
You don't? You got sauce on your fingers? Get sauce? Mm-mm. Say yes. Is it good? Eat it. Bite. Mmm. It's good. Say mmm. Say mmm. Can you say yum? That's right. Say yum. Can you say ham?
Ow!
That's not ow. Say ham. Can you say ham?
Ow! Ow!
Can you say bye-bye?
Baba.
Bye-bye. I love... I love... Mommy get it. Can you give Mommy a wink? Say. Juice. Yeah, there's your juice. Say, mmm.
Ew!
It's not you. Cutie.
Ew!
Say bye-bye.
Baba.